You know what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna edit the film to where you're doing this and then it's night and we have the fire going.
So this is not.
It's like mezzanite or some shit.
Yeah, it's something weird, but
That's
it like
petrified
flakes.
wood.
That's petrified wood? That's cool.
Yeah.
Is this pretty common up here? Just everywhere?
Yeah, there's whole trees over there.
Yeah.
Like 100-foot long trees on the side of the mountain.
But it's crazy because it has like shards. You can see how it grows.
Is that wood too? Or
No,
was wood?
this
or was
is-
something else?
That's like mezzanite, or it's some
else.
kind of crystal that grows in gaps in the earth.
Just get
I know.
like,
Where did my phone go? Oh, it's at the house on the charger. So it'd be charged for up here. Go up until the trees change, take a left, and you're there.
I'm actually pretty impressed with the campsite. It's pretty well worn. So where's the actual spring on it?
On that back side over there.
Backside. Oh, like where it's green coming down?
See
That's
it?
cool, yeah.
It's a pretty good spring.
it's really pretty over there.
I bet it is. You ever gotten in it?
Stop.
Yeah.
Is it
Yeah.
deep or?
I don't know, because what I did was I built a raft
Yeah.
out of like rotten logs. And I put it in there and I got on it.
Okay.
And hella spiders started crawling out of the logs. And so I kind of freaked out. This is like fancy box wine. This isn't
That's-
no fucking color.
That's some top shelf.
Well, I don't know about that.
That's top shelf. It says it's rich red wine blend.
It's for the rich.
That's
4-star boxed wine.
Oh,
no,
it is better than that.
It's definitely better than a barefoot.
Okay, I think that's good. Cheers.
Fill me up, man. That was the best wine I've ever had in my entire life. I don't drink much wine.
Oh, really?
Which one? This one has crystals in it.
It seems like there are just like a dime a dozen out here. It doesn't
They
matter.
really are.
There's just a lot, and they're so
It's
like
never
some
been
of them
picked over.
was just,
Yeah, I feel like this area probably hasn't changed much in the past 200 years.
no one comes up.
But ever. Like, this is what it's always looked like. Which is kind of cool.
Okay, well
That
at
hurts.
least we packed extra rice.
All that good rice gone.
No, get out. Get out of there. That's
We're heathens up here.
yeah, I know, but that's 2 steps. Now I got to try and remake the fire.
Fuck. I mean, you know what? There's one little flame. It's gonna be okay. It dries out. We're in dry country.
We're in God's country.